All right. If you're deep into note-taking, personal knowledge management, or you've fallen down the productivity rabbit hole, you've probably heard of Obsidian. Let's break it down. What it is, what it does well, where it might trip you up, and whether it's worth your time. Obsidian is like a second brain in Markdown. It's a local first plain text note-taking app that's all about linking your thoughts together. Think knowledge maps, daily notes, backlinks. If those words excite you or confuse you in a good way, Obsidian might be your jam. It's free for personal use, which is wonderful. But let's dig into what actually makes it great. Or not. Local and private. Obsidian stores everything locally on your device. No clouds required, no forced sync, and full privacy. You own your data, actually. Linking is magic. You can link notes together with double brackets. Obsidian auto-generates a graph view that shows you your ideas connecting visually. It's like mind mapping on autopilot. And it's also super customizable. It's a plugin playground from task management to spaced repetition to custom themes. It's basically a Lego set for your notes. And also Markdown simplicity. Everything is in Markdown, so your notes are lightweight, portable, and future-proof. No weird formatting lock-in. The Obsidian community is wildly active. Tons of plugins, themes, templates, and YouTube tutorials out there to guide you. There is a steep learning curve, though. Out of the box, Obsidian feels kind of minimal. You'll probably need a few plugins and setting tweaks to make it work the way you want. And it's not instantly visual. It's powerful, but it's not a plug-and-play or visual as apps like Screentool or Heptabase. You have to build your own workflow. And if you do want cloud sync between devices, you'll have to pay for Obsidian Sync or set up your own sync with Dropbox or iCloud, which can get messy. There's no collaboration. This is a solo player game. No real-time editing or team support. At least, not yet. So, Obsidian. If you love linking ideas, want full control of your notes, and you don't mind tinkering a bit, this might become your forever app. But if you're looking for something more visual, more collaborative, or more beginner-friendly, it might not be the one. Like the video if this helped, and drop a comment if you're Team Obsidian or still figuring out your perfect note-taking setup. Catch you next time.